It's very unusual to form real life friendships in your comfort zone. If we all want to build real friendships, friendships with much deeper meaning, we all have to adopt some degree of being an extrovert. If you really want to make sure that this friend is a person that I can really rely on, then you have to get out of your comfort zone, go meet new people, and build friendships like that, because that's where you get to know the person on a much deeper level when you're meeting that person in person. And yes, I know that going on and meeting new people in person, that's just not comfortable if you are an introvert. And we all know that even if you are an extrovert, that comes with being vulnerable. Do you ever take a moment and like truly appreciate nature? Because like, wow, like look at this. I have a question for you. When was the last time you really connected with your friend? The time where you don't mind anything besides your time with your friend. Like you value and embrace that small time that you're given with your friend. I think if we want to build long lasting friendships, then we should consider spending more quality time with the people that are close to us. I know how sometimes childhood friendships feel really special. It's like it's not your friend anymore, but it's more like your sibling. It feels like you were born next to this person because you've known this person ever since childhood. And it's crazy, but human connection, guys, is just another topic that just awes me. I don't know how to put it, but it just makes me go crazy, because there are some things that I can't even understand. Like, how can I connect to this person? Because this person is just a complete opposite of what I am, but we still get along like very well, and it's complicated to even try to comprehend how human connection works because you don't know the answers. I don't think anybody knows the answers of human connection. It just happens, guys. It's like your souls intertwine. I don't know. That does not make any sense. Yeah, I'm probably stupid. Goals one day is to at least be on top of those mountains. You're digging it. Yeah, be on top of those mountains. Say hello to the peeps.
Hi.
It's so weird, like. In your quest to build much deeper connections with people and real friendships, you have to let go. You have to become vulnerable. And it's crazy, but it is true at the same time that some people associate vulnerability with negativity, like exposing yourself to danger or letting yourself being killed by not protecting yourself. In some cases, that is true, but not in this case. In this case, being vulnerable means not putting yourself in a shell that people are uncomfortable around you. They feel like you just don't trust them. It's like letting people know that you trust them, and you are willing to try maybe being a friend with them or maybe being a partner with them or whatsoever. But it's more like letting people be comfortable around you and showing people that you do trust them. It's not that you have trust issues. So it's very important if you want to build deep friendships to be vulnerable. If we want to build long lasting, deeper friendships, first we need to get out of our comfort zone. There's a quote that I really love by Abigail Van Buren that says, "Everything we hate about other people leads to an understanding of ourselves." So, exposing yourself more, being more vulnerable, which is the second step to building much deeper friendships, and learning more about other people can lead to a deeper understanding of yourself too. So that is why it is very important for you to have friends, because friends can lead to you knowing a lot more better about yourself, because what irritates you that is being done by them can just lead to you understanding the kind of person and the kind of personality that you as a person have. Everybody has their group. Like, you cannot say, I can't find my people, because everybody has their kind of people that they connect to. It's just taking an effort to go out there and experience the world, like, let it sink in, like, explore, learn about people, and you'll find your people eventually. Yes, it might be hard finding your people on the internet, or maybe it might be easy depending on how kind of a person you really are. But for me, I find it really hard for me to find my people, people that I can call friends, and people that I can connect to on a much deeper level while I'm here on the internet. But it's very easy for me to form real friendships on the outside world, because that's where I get to learn a lot about the kind of person that I'm connecting to. And it makes this whole experience much fun and somewhat easy. I don't know. I'm just gonna get a lot of hate for saying this, because it sounds like I'm really stupid,